What's up everybody, welcome back to our road trip to Travel New Zealand vlog series. Today we climb Mount Taranaki. Good morning from Egmont National Park in New Plymouth. It's about 5 AM.
And today we're about to climb Mount Taranaki.
Oh my god, look at that view.
Look at the stars. The sun is just starting to come up. It is such a clear, beautiful morning here. There is no cloud over the mountain. It's gonna be great.
The sun is just about to come up over the clouds. If you've been following our journey so far, you already know.
We never miss a sunrise. And this one is no exception.
And we can see the mountain ahead of us. It looks almost unreal. It looks like someone's just painted it onto the blue canvas that is the sky.
Now that the sun's up, it's time to swap the head torch for the sunnies.
When you look at a satellite image of Mount Taranaki, it's white right at the top from the snow, then it's brown all the way down, and then it's got this big beautiful green, almost a perfect circle around it. Well, we're in the green bit and this is what it looks like. This hike is steep. It's steep from the start. When you look at the mountain, there isn't a lot of horizontal distance to cover. By going up, you're going over 1 kilometer, and there's only one way to do it. Climbing Mount Taranaki is one of the toughest day hikes in New Zealand. And I can tell you right now, it is very true. Get to this transmitter, this is the last clue for the rest of the climb. Bit of morning cloud rolling in.
Bit of wind too. We're about 2 hours in. It takes 4 to 6 hours to the top, so we're about a third of the way through. We've made it above the cloud line and spirits are pretty high.
It looks like we're in the rocks. They do have these red markers all the way up there. Can you see it? You're supposed to follow them. The problem is there's a lot of ways to get up to that marker. How are you going?
Pretty good. It's full on. The cloud looks so cool.
We've reached the stairs portion of the hike, which by the looks of it seems to go on forever. The stairs are done. We're on to the Scree.
For those of you who don't know what Scree is, it's pretty much 2 steps forwards, 1 step back with the amount that you slide.
Imagine going up a downward going travelator. That is the car park for the Egmont National Park. That's where the van is. From here you can see more of the green circle I was talking about earlier. And of course that morning cloud. How are you going?
This is hard.
It's hard work. As we tackle the most difficult part of this climb, I'd like to tell you a story. It's 2016. I'm really down on my luck. I don't have a job. I don't have money. I'm feeling really quite depressed. And all I want to do is travel. I want to travel the world. I want to see things. I want to do things. Fast forward 4 years, I'm nearly at the summit of a mountain. And I've been fortunate enough to live this life and to travel for the last 2 years. It's incredible. And I don't say this to brag or to boast. I say it for the people who are like me in 2016, who maybe want to have a different lifestyle 2 or 4 years from now. If I can do it, you can do it. Yes, it's hard going up the Scree right now, but guess what? I feel fortunate enough to be able to go up the Scree. I feel fortunate enough to be able-bodied, to be able to climb a mountain. I don't get to complain about this. I get to be grateful that I get to do this. Feeling very, very fortunate right now. These marker poles are numbered. The last one was 50, this one's 49. 48 more to go. 48 is the Scree, and we've just done the majority of it. That was hard going, I tell you. Like really, really difficult.
Yeah.
I've never wanted to pull the pin ever on a hike, except for this one. But by the time you get to the Scree, you're like 3/4 of the way up. It makes more sense to just keep going.
Let's make it to the top.
Now you're cool. We're on to the rock climbing section of the hike. I think this part is called the lizard, because you're on your hands and your knees. Maybe. I don't really know. How are you feeling?
Pretty good. It's steep though.
Let's get it. Oh, it's more of the lizard to go. The lizard is very hard.
Very hard. This is a full body workout.
Five. Yeah. Yeah, we have to get to the left of these rocks. This has to be the hardest thing that I have ever done. Oh, nearly there. Nearly there. You can hear the wind ripping through. Made it to the snow. 3. Just 2 to go. 2. And we are headed straight up. Guess we just get to marker number 2 and that's it.
We made it.
Now that we're here, check out these views. chill is -1 degrees today. There's snow here. There's snow in the crater of Mount Taranaki all year round. Do you want to talk about how high we are, babe?
I have no idea how high we are.
8,500 feet.
We're 8,500 feet.
That was a really big, hard hike.
Not for the faint-hearted. I would not recommend this hike to anyone. You need to be seriously fit and just have like a lot of energy reserves.
Yeah. Or if you can, climb rocks for like 2 hours.
Yeah.
And the Scree just really, it's quite full on. It's a
Yeah.
big hike. It took us
5 hours to get to the top. It's one of those hikes where you can't really get into a rhythm. There's no stairs, there's no just long stretches of flat. It's Scree, it's rock climbing, it's snow. If you want to see us doing more crazy hikes around New Zealand, going into snow in the middle of summer,
smash that like button, hit subscribe, follow the journey. It means a lot to us when you do. And also, let us know what you thought about the vlog. You ready to go back down?
I think so.
Well, there's only one way. That was super fun. You should do it.
How good, wet bum.
Wet bum, but like the funnest thing we've done all day.
It's the easiest part. Look at our bum marks.